Alright, so we said we're going to grab this, the short code for the contact form we just created. You go to the contact page, already open it with Elementor. So what you want to do is scroll down to this form. Now I want to input the form that we just created, right? No, we created our own form, so we're going to click on the form. Once you click on this pencil icon, you will see this option here. You remove this and paste what we just created and wait for this to load. So our form is now here. What you want to do is click update. Now if you update and go to the contact page of the site, let's open this. You go to the contact page of the site. Just a minute while this loads. You will see that you now have your own, go to contact page. You will see that you now have your own contact form showing here: name, first name, last name, email address, phone number, select service. When someone click on here, you can now select the service depending on the services that you enter here, then message and click on submit now, right? So that is done. That means you can create your own form the way you want it to appear here and enter it here, right? Now another thing you want to do is you can choose any email address for this form to send to apart from your admin. If you don't want it to send to your admin, what you want to do is come to the form and click on edit. So let's close this out and click on edit, and let's wait for this to load. Now what you want to do, go to settings and go to notification, and in this section where it says admin, you can just delete this and enter the email address you want here. Then the title you want to display in your mail, say contact us form, you can say new contact, you can say new entry, new contact, or you can just remove this and just write new contact from your website, right? So that's how you can change that. Then if you can further customize your form to how you can create as many forms as you want. Let's say a quote form, create a quote page and all that. Now the next thing we want to look at is how to link your site to Google. Now your business site is ready. You need to link the business site to Google Search Console and Analytics, right? So that you have better search presence. All right, to do that, what you want to do is scroll down from your backend, go to plugins. Then you want to click on add new and click on add new. Now when that opens, just a minute while that opens. When that opens, you want to type Google Kit here. Google Kit. Now you want to click on install now. Once that is installed, you want to click on activate. Now once you have activated that, you will see that it's checking for compatibility. You wait for it. So what you want to do is go to dashboard, and because this site has already be enabled with the site kit, ordinarily what you want to do is just click on it, sign into your Gmail account and go to Search Console, for example, click on it, and that will take you straight to your Gmail and enable your site linking to Google. Alright, so for the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to try to disconnect this. So I'm going to disconnect this, disconnect, and set it up for you so that you see how it works. Alright, now when you install Site Console, it's going to show like this, right? Now the site kit, Google Site Kit, now what you want to do is go to sign in with Google. So you click on this. Now this will take you to, now if you are signed into your Gmail, this will take you here, whether you are signed into your Gmail or so. You want to click on sign in with Google. Then I want to select the email address I want to use. Then I want to click continue. That we are linking our site to Search Console and Analytics. Then you want to click on proceed. Now the next thing you want to do is click allow. Then click add site. Now go to my dashboard, click on that. Yeah, so that links your site to Search Console. You see connected, and because you are signed into your Gmail, you are connected also to Analytics. If it's not if you are not connected to Analytics, you just click and follow the same process to connect to Google Analytics. That means your site is not connected to Search Console and Google Analytics. Now after this connection, you want to look at your Gmail, the Gmail you use for the connection. If you go to your Gmail inbox, you're going to see email from Search Console. Now you see this, you want to open this. One thing that you want to do for sure is to add a sitemap. You will see this option, submit a sitemap. So you want to click on this. That will take you to Search Console. Now while this is loading, what you want to do is come to your site and scroll down to the SEO plugin we install. SEO plugin. Now go to General and go to Features. Click on this section, Features. When you click on Features, you scroll down to you see Sitemaps. So you click on this question icon here, click on that, and you click on this. Now when you click on this, this is going to open a new window. What you want is just this for pages and for posts. Pick this. Then you come to the Search Console that is open. Now remember, you click on Submit Sitemap. That opened this. So what you want to do is paste just this section of the link. That's what you copy, page-sitemap.slm. Alright, so what you want to do is paste that here in this section and click on Submit and wait for this to submit. What this does is it will help Google to pull up pages on your site, so that each time you publish a new content, it will automatically be pulled by Google to help you rank, get your content on Google faster. You see that 3 pages are pulled. Sometimes you will see fetch error. It doesn't mean that the pages are not pushed because your site is new. And so what you want to do again is come back to this page and you collect for posts, the sitemap for posts. You want to pick this, copy it. That's if you want to publish posts on your blog as well. Alright, so what to do is come here, paste this, then you want to click Submit again. That's you can see this error. It means that you don't have content or it's going to fetch. It doesn't mean that there's an issue. Alright, so with that done, your site is fully linked to Google, right, to improve search presence. Alright, another thing we want to look at is how we can insert our logo. No, we are done with design, the lessons about design. Any page, you are able to design any page. Now this is supposed to be a logo. So how do you add a logo? Right, that is something that we've not looked at. So to add a logo, what you want to do is come to this section from the front end, or from the back end you come to appearance, hover on appearance and scroll to customize. It's the same thing, will give you the same feature, customize, and from back end, appearance, customize. So when you click on customize, wait for this to load. Alright, when this opens like this. So what you want to do is just to change the logo. So to do that, you come to site, the header builder, you click on that, you see site logo. Now when you click on site logo, you cannot remove this site logo that is here. Just click remove and change or change. Now if you want to change it, what you want to do is just click on change, for example, and upload your logo. We already know how to upload an image. Upload your logo from your laptop. Now if I select here, let me see what I have a logo. I'll just upload any image. Okay, let's just say this logo, for example. This is not a proper logo. It's supposed to be a transparent background logo, but I will just use it to demonstrate. So I'm going to open this and click open and wait for this to load. Then I'm going to select as my logo. Now for the cropping, I'm going to drag it down, take this up, right? Then I'm going to crop if I want to crop. Now this is going to upload and become my logo. Now if I scroll down, I'm going to edit it. I'm going to change these ones as well. I'm going to click on this and grab the logo that I just uploaded. Right, you can see that the logo now shows here, but ordinarily the logo is supposed to be on a transparent background, depending on how your logo. So you want to publish, for example, if I publish this, the logo here changes. If I refresh this new logo will be the one that will appear there, right? So to make that appear, I want to purge all cache. Okay, let me get back here. Different logo. Alright, so we already published this. What we want, or not, we want to do, we'll get back to that, but that is how you change your logo. Then you scroll down to this section, site icon. This would be the favicon of a site. For example, for YouTube, you see this video icon. For this site, you see this icon. For Gmail, you see this icon. So you get the icon and just upload it here, just like the way you uploaded the logo, to get that favicon in place. Then another thing we want to look at is the button. We'll come back here. We want to look at the button. This button that says take action. You can decide to change it to get started or get a quote. Alright, get a quote, then you paste the link. Right, if you want it to lead to the contact page or a separate page, then you just pick the link. For example, for the contact page, you pick the link, then you head to customize and paste it here. Right, then what you want to do is just click publish. Now when you click publish, this changed to get a quote. Alright, so another final thing that you want to check before you call it a complete project is the footer section. You can see that the footer section of the site still carries the default information. You want to change it to your own information. To do that, from this customize, scroll down to footer. You want to click on footer builder. Then you want to, for the copyright information, you're going to click this and you can change this to anything you want. Right, then you want to come back here to this section to enter your address. What this does, just to change, just you leave this as it is. This will show the current year, right, and your site title. Then you want to come to the HTML version and just change the address. This is the address, 25th. Just change it, then change the email address as well, so you can edit the footer to what you want. Now after editing the footer, you are okay with the full design and you are done with your site. Alright, now everything is looking good. Now if you come to the home page and you refresh, you will see that all changes are being implemented. The quote button, you can change that. You are able to change everything. Your website is live, it's on Google. You can send it to share it on social media and get people to come visit your website and start getting really prospect and deals for your website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Another thing you want to consider for your business, aside from this website bringing you a lot of deals, remember that you have $150 add credit from Google, and $100 Microsoft credit also that you can use to promote your website now and start getting start getting deals right away. Another thing you want to do is open a Google My Business page, and with your website that's already linked to Google Search Console and Analytics with your Gmail, you can just get verified instantly. Alright, if you have any question concerning this, leave it in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to answer all questions. Thank you.